Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Vibrate when handle is touched for your edge panels on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we're going to tap on displayed. Then we swipe down and tap on edge panels. Next, tap on handle and then go down. Go to the vibration section and tap on vibrate when handle is touched. And this will allow you to change the feedback. Now, every time we touch on this one here, it will basically vibrate very gently just to give you a feedback that we have touched on it. Now you can turn it off if you do not like the vibration feedback. So we can just simply turn it off, and after that you will not get any more vibration when you're touching on the edge panel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.